Hey everybody, it's Jess at Summit RV. I just wanted to go live. As you guys know, we're having our giant winter sale this week and we're really excited about it. We've got so many new models here for you guys to look at. There's such a huge selection right now. We have a brand new floor plan from Grand Design here that I wanted to show you. And this is something I'm really excited about because we've been waiting on a bunkhouse in the Reflection 150 series for a while. This is brand new for Grand Design. It's the Reflection 150 series, and I'm going to show it to you here in just a second. They started out with just one floor plan, and now they're up to four. This is the fourth floor plan, and it is a quad bunk. Technically, you can sleep four people in the bunkhouse. So I wanted to show you guys this. I'm out here on the lot today. The weather is wonderful. I don't even have a jacket on. So if you guys are home, you definitely need to head on down here. Today is the perfect day to browse. So let's check this out. Let me flip it around here so you can see what I'm looking at. This is the Reflection 150 series 290BH. It has room to sleep four people in the bunk room, and there is a kitchen outside as well. It has large pass-through storage. And the best thing about this is that it is truly half-ton towable. This thing weighs around 8,500 pounds dry. So if you have an Imagine and you have been interested in upgrading to a fifth wheel, you know, before you might not have been able to do that with certain vehicles, but with this one, if you can tow around 10,000 pounds, this one completely loaded down is going to be around 10,000 pounds. Dry, it's around 8,500 pounds. So if you can tow that much weight, you can upgrade. And this really is a game changer for everybody who loves their Imagine or loves their travel trailer but really wants to get into a fifth wheel. The quality is amazing. We love Grand Design and we love all their products, and I think you guys are really gonna like this one. This has the Turning Point Trail Air pin box already on it, so you don't need a slider hitch on your short bed trucks. And this thing comes with all of the amenities of a larger Reflection. We've got the universal docking station, just like the bigger ones. Just because it's lighter doesn't mean it's lesser. So you're still gonna get all of the amenities that you would get in a bigger Reflection right here in this lightweight fifth wheel. It does have a single slide. And like I said, it's got the outside kitchen. There's some storage right here as well underneath the bunk room. It's got a mini fridge and a stove. So let's head inside. And of course, this comes with Grand Design's 3-year limited structural warranty. It's got outside speakers so you can have your entertainment outdoors as well. So I love this floor plan for a lot of reasons, but one of the main reasons is going to be this U-shaped dinette. And if you swivel on around here, we've got the TV right here above the counter. We don't sacrifice any countertop space because the TV is mounted on the wall. And you can see that we have a really nice big kitchen, double door refrigerator and freezer. Let that light catch up with me there. Furrion stove. Big farm sink with a sink cover. Lots of cabinet space, microwave, countertop extender. And this RV does come with the Arctic 4 Seasons package, just like the bigger Reflections. Like I said, just because it's lighter doesn't mean it's lesser. So you can camp in this. It's going to extend your camp season until it starts getting colder, and you're going to be just fine. This has the motion sensor LED lighting, just like all of the other Grand Design products as well. We have oversized tank capacities as well as the even flow heating system. Let's head on to the bedroom here. I'll show you. Something I love about these fifth wheels, in the bedroom, the ceiling height is 6'7". A lot of fifth wheels, especially in this weight range, you have to crawl into the bed. You can't stand up in here. But in this reflection, you can. So your husbands and your dads and your grandfathers and your uncles and your sons are all going to be able to stand up in this bedroom. And that just makes it way more comfortable. We've got a big closet right here in the master bedroom. And we do have a sliding pocket door for privacy as well. Let's see this big closet. I've got a bunch of drawers down here as well. The bathroom is nice and spacious. It's got a big walk-in shower with a skylight. And we have 2 cabinets in here. One there. And then we have a medicine cabinet over the sink. And we've got drawer space underneath the sink as well. We have storage under the dinette with door access, so you don't have to lift up any benches. And back here is the bunkhouse. We have a nice big double bed right here where 2 people could sleep. And then we have 2 bunks along the top with a nice ladder and some storage as well. We have a place right here where we can mount a TV for the kids or your guests, so that they can enjoy themselves at night when they get ready to go to bed or when it's raining or whatever. So this is the 290BH. It is available right now. We only have 1 of these. Grand Design products are a little bit harder to get. We don't get them in bigger quantities just because they take longer to make and they build them a little slower than other brands, but they're awesome and you should definitely come check this out while we have it. We are having our giant winter sale this week, so we are open until 5:30 Monday through Thursday, and then on Friday, hey Josh, thanks, I really like it too. I appreciate you leaving me a comment while I'm doing this. We're open through Thursday till 5:30, and on Friday night and Saturday night, we're open until 10 p.m. We're going to have some popcorn and some refreshments and free drinks, and we will be here, and everything's going to be unlocked, and everybody's welcome to browse. We've got some new stuff in the parts store. We've got some promotions going on over there, and everything is going to be marked down. Right here, Josh, this one, the MSRP on this one is $44,905, but you can message us and we'll talk to you about that price as well. You can email sales@summitrv.com or leave me a comment, private message me, or Matt LaFoon, he's our internet sales guy, and I will tag our contact info in the comments of this video so you can easily get with one of us. You can always live chat us as well. If you Facebook message us, it goes straight to our phones. So we definitely will be in contact with you and help you with any questions that you may have about any of our RVs or the sale or pricing or anything like that. We would love to show you any RV in person, guys, not just you, Josh, but everybody. So if you guys want to come on down and look, it's the perfect time. The weather's great. We have golf carts so we can show you around. You don't have to walk unless you just want to. We have 16 acres of RVs. We have over 300 in stock today. And certain ones we only have 1 of, which is probably 80% of our stock. So if you see something you like, check out our website. Don't wait. Come on down and check it out. And we'll be here all week, and we'll be open until 10 p.m. this weekend. So if you guys have any questions, please give me a call or leave me a comment or message me or whatever. All right. Thanks, Josh. We'll see you this weekend. That sounds good. Thanks, everybody.